Good day. My name is Christopher Evans. I live in Castle Rock, Colorado, and this is a testimonial for Liberty Aid Academy, which I quite like. I was looking for a way to protect my assets and leave them for my children without government interference or taxable events. Also, as a way to protect our income. I looked at a number of options, didn't really find anything I liked. None of these trusts and various revocable trust and various other entities fit my needs. But one day my chiropractor mentioned Liberty Aid Academy to me. And after a thorough investigation, I found that it met all of my requirements. It was a trust, but the irrevocable type of trust. It has great tax, income, and privacy protections. And here was a legitimate, copyrighted solution that I was looking for. After purchasing the course, I followed the step-by-step instructions, which are very easy to follow. And I established two trusts, one for our physical assets and one for financial assets. It really is pretty easy to set up. And you don't need an accountant or a lawyer or anything. You do it yourself in a very short period of time. So here are the two trusts that I set up. First one is for our physical assets. And let's see if I can get this. This is Denomination Family Trust. And this is the trust that we put our house into, following the directions in the program. And this is our other trust that we set up. And this is for our financial assets. So what we have here is I can show you each of these trusts has an EIN from the IRS. And here's the first one for the denomination trust. This is all legitimate, straightforward, legal. Here's the other trust. Whoops. So what else I have here? Um, all of the paychecks, our paychecks, my wife's paychecks go into the Evans Asset Trust. And as you can see here, there is a bank statement here. Bank statement. And here are some of the deposits. We just recently did this. So here are some of the deposits from January from her company directly into the trust. So that eliminates a lot of tax issues. And then we put our house into the other trust, as I mentioned. And here is our Douglas County Treasurer's Office bill for taxes. And you can see that it's made out to Denomination Family Trust. So our house is now in the trust. We do not own it anymore. We are trustees only. And also, as for passing our assets to our children, that's explained in the program very well too. What we've chosen to do is make our children trustees in the account, just like we are. And sorry about that. So anything when should happen to either my wife or I, nothing changes. The trust keeps going, and our children are the trustees. And they take over all of the assets with no tax implications and no estate tax stuff. And it's all clean and simple. And we're just getting started with this. We have a good start, but there's so many other things that this program offers. Um, and we're just starting to explore them. You can run your business or start a business using your trust. That's a very clean and simple way to run a business. And there's also a debt relief program that we're interested in checking out. That will be next. And frankly, we have just scratched the surface of this program. There's so much in it, so many ways you can use this program to help yourself and your family and your friends. And I would highly recommend Liberty Aid Academy to anyone. And I do recommend it to people I meet that ask me about sort of financial affairs. So that's it for today. I will check back with another update in maybe 6 months and let you know how the rest of it's going. Thanks so much. Have a great day.